Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. I am so freaking excited. We are going to be playing with the brand new Just My Luck eyeshadow palette. This just launched last week on the Colourpop website. When I saw Trend Mood post about this on Instagram, actually my best friend tagged me in a post and I was just shocked. I was so happy to see this. So many Colourpop fans have been begging for an all green eyeshadow palette. And I think it's super badass that they listened to their customers and released this palette. Super awesome. You guys know that I love Colourpop. I am a true fan of the brand. I have been ordering and using their products since around, I want to say 2015-ish, 2016, very early part of 2016. I have just really been intrigued. I remember going on their website when they only had some liquid lipsticks and a few other items, and it's crazy to see how popular and the following that Colourpop has developed. This is not sponsored. This palette was not sent to me. These are just true feelings of my own. I bought this with my own money. We're going to go ahead and do a first impressions, swatches, and then obviously I will create a look on camera. That way I can show you guys up front how they perform, which shades I like the best, so forth and so forth. You guys get the drift. I'm also going to be giving away 2 Just My Luck palettes to 2 lucky winners. I will put the details at the end of this video, but I am so excited. I love hosting giveaways on my channel. It's like one of the funnest things to do. I just think it's great and I love giving back to my beautiful subscribers. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, you guys, so this is the Just My Luck 9-pan pressed powder palette, eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging that it comes in. I think it's super simple, but really cute. I love the name of this palette, Just My Luck. Perfect timing. If you live in a super cold climate like me, things like St. Patrick's Day and those kind of warmer or springtime holidays just really get you in the mood for spring and summer. And it lets me know there is an end to this crazy cold weather. So this palette has got me in a mood and I'm living for it. On the back of the palette, as always, you've got some shade names, the name of the palette again, which is awesome. And then here is what the palette itself looks like. Open it up and you've got the 9 shadows placed inside. You've got a really nice mirror that I haven't. Does anyone else just love that? I have like a really weird obsession with peeling plastic off of like electronics, mirrors. Super funny when I had Twitter way back in the day. By the way, you should follow me on Twitter. I'll put my Twitter name right here. I'm really trying to learn how to use Twitter, so bear with me. Follow me there. Show me some love. Anyways, in my original Twitter bio, I had something along the lines of like, enjoys peeling the plastic off of electronics. I know I'm weird. And I'm one of those weirdos that's also into ASMR, but I think I also used to have that on my Instagram bio as well. Fun fact, you might not have known about me. I am so excited to play with this. I do have to say this looks like a major dupe for the Melt Cosmetics Smoke Sessions palette. Hold on a moment, I have it right here in my drawer. Here it is. I reviewed this palette on my channel. Oh my goodness, you guys. My metallics have completely crumbled on the inside of this palette. I am so sad right now. It's like stuck to the mirror. Do you guys see that? What the blank? Okay then. Anyways, as you can see, that just spilled all over me and on my shirt. Fantastic. This might be a dupe for it and thank God because that is not cool. Let's go ahead and create a look together. First off, let me go ahead and show you guys some swatches. We'll go over the swatches and then we will go ahead and create a look together. All right, you guys, so here is my tattooed arm once again, showing you guys some swatches. So we will start from left to right. We have the top row, which is a matte shade, Chances Are. Second shade in, we have Kiss My Hoss, which is a matte shade. Then we have a metallic shade, 50/50. Onto the second row is the shade Big Banks, which is a metallic. Then we have a bright yellow shade, Mary Jane, also a metallic, as well as another metallic shade, Olive You. And then the last 3 shades, all matte, Act Natural. Then we have Mobamba, which I have to take back. That's actually more of like a satin matte shade. And then the last shade we have is Charmed. So overall, the swatches are pretty impressive. They're buttery smooth as far as the mattes. The metallic swatch with ease. Everything is really pigmented. The shade Charmed is a little bit iffy as far as a swatch, but these are only 1 swipe. Overall, you can tell the pigmentation is pretty even, and overall, I am pretty impressed. All right, you guys, I have you zoomed in on my face here so you can go ahead and get a better idea of how these shadows perform. We're gonna go ahead and start off with the old tried and true, my Luscious Angel Eyes Primer Base. I've talked about this primer on my channel before. I recently discovered that you can get this at Riley Rose. They do carry it, at least at the one by me. So if you've been looking for it or you can't find it or you don't want to order it online and you have a Riley Rose near you, you can get the Luscious Angel Eyes Primer from Riley Rose. What I love about this is a little goes a long way and primes the shit out of your eyes. It is the best eyeshadow primer. If you're not used to working with a sticky, tacky primer, it does feel weird at first, but you guys, your eyeshadow will pop. All right, so we are going to start off with the JH33 brush from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collection, and I'm gonna go right into the shade Chances Are right here. A little bit powdery, but nothing too intense. And I'm gonna start that out right into the crease. This shade is going on beautifully. So you guys can just see that primer just makes any shadow pop. This is such a beautiful pastel green shade and it's really vibrant. You guys, that shade is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. That blended out so easily. Right, so I'm gonna take my favorite crease brush. This is my BH Cosmetics number 7 brush. I think I'm gonna go ahead in with the shade Act Natural. This deeper matte green, and I'm gonna focus this really tight into the crease. And I'm gonna blend it out with another lighter color, but I just wanna build up some of that dimension. Barely have to pick anything up on my brush. I will blend this out. I know at first, sometimes eye looks, even myself, I'm like, shit, that looks crazy, but you gotta trust the process. Pretty confident that the finished look is gonna be stunning. I maybe would have went in, now that I'm doing this, with a even smaller crease brush, but whatever. What I like so far is that nothing is skipping. Everything just looks super blended, flawless, pigmented, and really easy to blend. I'm gonna go back in with my JH33, and now I'm gonna take this shade Kiss My Hass, whatever, and I'm just gonna kind of layer that on top of that shade that I just put down, just to kind of make sure everything is blended and I don't have any harsh lines. I absolutely love green shadows. Some of my favorites. Everybody's into blue, and I'm gonna be honest, I try to love blue shadows, you guys, but dare I say it, I'm just not into it. I much prefer the green shades, reds even, pinks, purples. Blue is probably my least favorite shadow shade to work with. So now that we have a nice base, I'm gonna go back in with the BH Cosmetics number 7 brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Mobamba. This is kind of like a satiny matte shade, and I'm gonna use that just on like the outer corners here. Whoa. Pigment. You guys, Colourpop, I don't know how they do it. Their shadow quality, they've only had one palette that I was not a fan of, and it was the Mar palette, the one that had the blues in it. And not because I don't like blues, the formula was so strange, and I was actually shocked that it was Colourpop. It didn't feel like something that they would normally come out with. Every other palette I've tried from them has just been solid. I have so many. Should actually do a video on that. Let me know if you guys want to see, but I have so many of their shadows and I just am blown away. I love the Super Shock shadows, huge fan of those, the pressed powders, and I haven't tried the loose pigments yet, the ones that Kathleen Lights did, and I really do want to try that out. All right, you guys, so this base is looking stunning. Let's go ahead and figure out what I want to kind of put all over the lid. I was almost thinking that maybe I wanted to do a halo eye. Let's do it. I'm gonna do a halo eye. I'm gonna take Mobamba again, that same brush, and I'm just gonna kind of dab that right here on the inner corner of the lid. Some of these mattes are pretty powdery. They have quite a bit of kick up, but I don't see any fallout yet, which is awesome. Just make sure that you really tap off your brush. Just look at how like effortlessly these blend. They just look so beautiful so far. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my favorite flat shader brush and I'm gonna dip into this shade right here, 50/50. Wow, we might be using like 90% of the shades in this palette, and I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna keep this color dry, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dab this right where that darker shadow ends on each side. Okay, that didn't even need Fix Plus. Okay then, Colourpop. So not only did they give us a palette that everybody wanted, they gave us one with some serious pigment. All right, and now on the inner part of the eye, I'm gonna take the shade, ooh, what do I wanna do? I'm thinking of either just keeping this super green or using this pop of yellow. Let's do the pop of yellow. I'm gonna stick with it dry just to see what it looks like, this one, because I was so impressed with the shade 50/50 dry, which is really unique. Very seldom can you use a metallic shadow dry and have that kind of a payoff. I'm just gonna dab this brighter yellow shade right in the middle and kind of blend it right into that other metallic shade. Beautiful. Yeah, you don't even need any Fix Plus. Now you could if you wanted this to be even more vibrant, but I do want these metallics to blend more into each other. That is stunning. All right, let's go ahead and work on the lower lash line. Take this kind of pencil brush right here. This is the JH38. I'm gonna take the shade Kiss My Haas, which is the shade right here. I'm gonna run that along the lower lash line. Don't know what I want to do on the inner corner. I could use that same gold shade. Let's do that. Let's do the gold shade. Take an even smaller brush. This is the mini round 141 from Luxie. I'm gonna dip back into the shade Mary Jane. I'm gonna dab that right on the inner corners. Kind of into like using a pop of color on the inner corner. It's really fun. Yes, I love that. I'm gonna take this Colourpop Jelly Much. These are awesome. This is in the shade We Jammin'. I love this for a brow bone highlight, and I'm just gonna dip right into that. And they're kind of weird when you pick it up on a brush. It doesn't feel like you have any product, but it's definitely there. I'm just gonna go ahead and run that right along the brow bone here for a pop of metallic. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop off camera. I'm gonna put on some mascara, maybe something in the waterline. This is not a look that I would typically put any liner with, just because I really want these eyes to be the star of the show. So probably just stick with some mascara and I will be right back. All right, you guys, so here is the completed look. I am blown away by the beauty and the quality of this eyeshadow palette, Colourpop. This is probably the best eyeshadow palette you have ever released. The formula is spot on, the color story spot on, just everything about this is just perfect. Hits the nail on the head, home run, 10 on 10. Look at this pigmentation and the metallics. Are you joking me? I didn't get any of these damp. I didn't use a finger. This is a dry brush. Absolutely beautiful. The textures, the smoothness, the butteriness of the mattes. I am blown away by this palette. Honestly, I knew that this was going to be good, but I didn't expect it to be this damn good. This, again, I have to say is my favorite eyeshadow palette launch from Colourpop. Like I said in the beginning of this video, you guys know I've been a huge fan of their shadows. I didn't think that they could surprise me any more than they already have, and they just did. I'm really into the 9-pan layout personally. Don't get me wrong, I love my larger palettes, but sometimes when a palette is laid out with just the perfect 9 shades, it is so much easier to use and to figure out, especially for the average makeup wearer. I have 7 of the 9 shadows in this palette on my eyes, so I think it's pretty safe to say that this palette is a legitimate home run. I am obsessed. I absolutely love it. Colourpop, this is such a stunning palette. I cannot wait to wear this look even to work and to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. Like I said, it has me feeling very spring and just so excited for the warmer months to come. It's got me in a great mood. So congrats, Colourpop. This is a beautiful palette. Let's go ahead and talk about the giveaway. So like I said, I have 2 Just My Luck palettes right here, brand new, untouched, unopened, to give away to 2 of my beautiful subscribers. My channel recently hit 9,000 subscribers. Like, I'm sitting over here just like, I was laying in my bed Sunday morning, you guys, and I was literally in tears. I know it is one of those things where it's like, oh, a crying YouTuber or whatever, I get it. But I think that when you have such a passion with something and you get comments on your channel and on your community posts of people telling you that you are their favorite beauty YouTuber is just, wow. It kind of just really puts me in a place because, like I said in my recent post that, try not to cry, this YouTube channel thing was just a dream and I never thought I'd be able to do it. I never thought I'd be able to edit. This was just something that seemed so far away. So before I get too choked up, this is just a mini thanks, my gratitude to you guys. Obviously there will be more giveaways to come. If I could give each and every one of my subscribers, even like especially my loyal ride or dies, the ones that are commenting on every video, if I could give you guys some sort of gift, I would. I hope that my videos are something that continue to inspire you. I can't wait to see where this journey takes me. It's just like so crazy to think about. So anyways, I just wanted to really say thank you and that you guys can truly, really believe that this is really a passion. My channel will never change. This is my vow, even at 9,000 subscribers, 10,000, 20, oh my God, 100,000, wherever I end up. My honesty, my personality, everything will always be just what you see right here. So with that being said, let's turn off the waterworks because I don't want to ruin this beautiful makeup that I just put on. The rules for the giveaway is you just have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below what your Instagram handle is or your Instagram name. I will be reaching out to you on Instagram. That's how I'll be choosing the winner. So that's all that you have to do. Be subscribed to my channel, hit the bell button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and comment down below your Instagram handle, your Instagram name, and I will contact the winner that way, probably within the next couple of days or so. I don't want to drag this giveaway on too much longer. I will announce in my Instagram stories when I have contacted the two winners. That way you guys know to check to make sure that you got the message from me. Check your requested folder. So obviously you'll want to be following me on Instagram as well so that you can see that announcement. This giveaway is open to US and Canada residents only, so keep that in mind. I just want to thank you guys again so much. Can't wait to choose the winner, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for your love and support. It means the world to me, and I can't wait to see where this journey takes me. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!